Hi, welcome back to Darmiey's Kitchen. It's Darmiey. I trust you're having a fantastic weekend. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make sausage bread rolls. This recipe is very easy and I have a useful hack you can use to proof your bread. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using some flour, butter, sugar, salt, yeast, two eggs. One would be for my egg wash, milk, and some hot dogs. All the measurements would be in the description box below. So I'm going to start by warming my milk. Just make sure that it's not too hot. And then I'm pouring a little bit of the sugar and my yeast to proof my yeast while I'm working on the dry ingredients. So I'm going to mix this well and set this aside and then leave it to proof for about 10 minutes while I work on my dry ingredients. So I'm adding the rest of my sugar and the salt to my flour and I'm going to mix this well. Now I put a hole in the middle and crack one egg. Now my yeast mixture is foamy at the top, so it's ready. So I'm going to add this to my flour mixture and then scrape out everything in the cup so that nothing goes to waste. Now I'm going to mix this well until most of the water is absorbed. And then I'm going to lightly flour my surface and then I'll turn my bread dough onto my surface so that I can knead this. So you want to knead your dough for about 10 minutes if you are kneading this by hand, or you can use a stand mixer with the dough hook and knead it for 7 minutes. So I set a timer so that I'll make sure that I knead my dough properly. Now my dough is looking smooth. I'm going to add my butter to the dough and I'm going to work the butter into the dough. Then I'll keep kneading until the dough has absorbed all the butter. I'm using room temperature butter for this. It's not melted, but it's not like rock solid. Alright, so my dough looks good. It's no longer sticking to my hands, which means it's ready. And it's very smooth, and it's stretchy. So the next thing I'm going to do is to proof my dough using the instant pot. I just discovered this hack and it's really helpful for you to proof your dough faster. So I'm just lining the instant pot with some oil and then I'm using the dough to rub all the oil there so that nothing sticks. Now I'm going to put my dough in the instant pot and then I'll select the yogurt function. So the yogurt function takes between 8 to 10 hours, but I'm just going to set my phone timer for 20 minutes and check it in 20 minutes. So if you're not using the instant pot, it usually takes you about 1 hour to proof your dough in one place. So the instant pot makes it faster. You do it in 20 minutes. Alright, so it's ready. I'm punching out the gas and then I'm bringing out my dough. Now I'm going to separate my dough into 15 portions. So I'm just using a scale to make sure that I have equal sized dough throughout, but you can eyeball it if you want. Alright, so I'm going to work on one portion at a time, and I'm covering the rest just to make sure that the dough doesn't dry out. So now I'm just rolling it out into a long tube, and then I want it to be a little bit longer than the length of two hot dogs. Now I'm wrapping my dough around the hot dog. And then I'll place it on my baking tray. So I have everything rolled out. Now I'm going to cover it with some cling film for my second proofing. So I covered it with cling film, and then I put some kitchen towels on it just to make sure it proofs well. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes. We are done with the second proofing. Now I'm going to put some egg wash so that the finished product will be shiny. So my egg wash is just my second egg that I beat with a teaspoon of water, and then I'm just using it to brush the buns. So once I'm done applying the egg wash to everything, I'm going to put it in my preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until it's golden brown. And this is how it looks. Look at how cute they look. This is my finished product. And I'm cutting into it so you can see how it looks on the inside. This bread is so soft. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and also leave a comment in the comment section on what you think about this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already, and also turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to get notified when I post a new video, which is every Saturday by 12 p.m. Eastern Time. Have a good one. I hope you stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.